There you have Dr. Lasbury. Chairman, sir.
The winners of the election just conducted on 5th of October 2024. On behalf of the commission, which I chairman, I hand over this certificate of return to Ruben Vincent Obu, chairman-elect of Aboodua local government area. Congratulations. Congratulations. Elect. Congratulations. Odimabo Torukwen. Pastor. Yes.
Okay, just wait there. Once they are done, they will be coming so that everybody will do it at that
No pass.
The protocol were read out by Mr. Douglas Chukwu, the Secretary of Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, but not overlooking or discounting the presence of my colleagues here, the commissioners of the 6th Commission, that is the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission. Ladies and gentlemen, please adopt your various titles. The press. The matter before us now is for the declaration of results of the councillorship elections into the 319 wards spread across the 23 local government areas of Rivers State, and exceptionally, a chairmanship result from the 5th of October 2024 that was reserved for reason of ensuring correct collation of results. Now, supplemental or further to my address of yesterday, Saturday, 5th October 2024, declaring 22 out of 23 candidates as winners of the election in their respective local government areas. I, Honorable Justice Adolfo Senebeli, retired, pursuant to the extant provisions of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Law Number 2 of 2018 and all other enabling laws, hereby and hereunder make declarations of results in favor of the under-mentioned candidates as having scored the majority of lawful or valid votes in their respective wards, totaling 319, and are hereby returned as councillors-elect of their respective wards. But as a preface, let me preface this. Before the declaration of the councillorship elections in the 319 wards, let me firstly declare the result of the chairmanship election result for Etche local government council, which was stood down from yesterday to this day to await complete and correct collation of results from the team of RSIEC officials. From the concluded collation of results for the Etche local government area, and after a discreet introspection and with the demands of impartiality and inspired by the principle of electoral justice by this commission, we hereby declare the party and candidate that scored majority of the valid and lawful votes of 2/3 of the votes cast in 19 wards in Etche local government area of Rivers State. And that result is a distinguished exception from previous narratives over the years. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of that election in Etche local government area just a moment. I have put you in suspense. So, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the local government council election in Etche local government area is Oko-Jumbo Remains of the AA Action. That is Action Alliance. You will agree with me, that is a distinguished departure from the narrative of the past. And it took us arguments to arrive at that. And we adopted the principles of electoral justice. Now the details of the scores or statistics will be published, as we stated yesterday, in RSIEC website and the media, and will be made available to parties, contestants, and the public soon after. I now proceed with the declaration of results for councillorship election in 319 wards or the respective 23 local government areas of Rivers State. The winners declared elected pursuant to the extant laws are as follows. Abua Odua. Name of winner, Wariboko Memoye, Ward 1, APP. Ogu Lovina, Ward 2, APP. Israel Kipoye, Ward 3, APP. Mighty Sunday, Ward 4, APP. Igoni Isaac Miller, Ward 5, APP. Elias Sunday Kitoye, Ward 6, APP. Eagle Gostam Abile, Ward 7 APP. Thank God Egbirisige, Ward 8 APP. Thomas Carlson, Ward 9 APP. Kwemi John Robinson, Ward 10 APP. Felix Etire, Ward 11 APP. Comson Agudum, Ward 12 APP. Eferebo Christopher Peresi, Ward 13 APP. Ahoda East, the name of winners, their ward and party as follows. Ekine Beauty Ikechiku, Ward 1 APP. Stephen Eze, Ward 2 APP. Ali Davis Livingstone, Ward 3 APP. Ewo Prince, Ward 4 APP. Ihuruzu Rejoice, Ward 5 APP. Sunday Good News Eze, Ward 6 APP. Uchichi Nedu Richard, Ward 7 APP. Vinet Beauty Chiaga Weme, Ward 8 APP. Alali Justice Livingstone, Ward 9 APP. Francis Ukeme, Ward 10 APP. Basa Kenneth Goodluck, Ward 11 APP. Ikebidi Celestine Cassidy, Ward 12 APP. Robinson Nnamdi Ewo, Ward 13 APP. Ahoda West, names of winners, ward and party. Amakri Jonathan Good Boy, Ward 1 APP. Marklin Odeam Wokoma, Ward 2 APP. Oniso Jikume Bethlehem Onyigi, Ward 3 APP. Agri Olamo Friday, Ward 4 APP. Olukoma Peter, Ward 5 APP. Tina Ogelenye, Ward 6 APP. Christian Ewa, Ward 7 APP. Abednego Ogu Israel, Ward 8 Boot. Catherine Uria, Ward 9 APP. Ayaw Boko Buduka David, Ward 10 APP. Chinedu Jeremiah, Ward 11 APP. Okpulu Progress, Ward 12 APP. Akutoru Local Government, name of winners, West and Party. Sekibo Justin Charles, Ward 1 APP. Nye Bob Manuel, Ward 2 APP. Fabia Ware Rasmus Granville, Ward 3 APP. Briggs Jeff Omobo, Ward 4 APP. Benson Sikima Rafa, Ward 5 APP. Inye Frank Briggs, Ward 6 APP. Jack Ashel Solomon, Ward 7 APP. Benibo Darego, Ward 8 APP. Tonye Henderson, Ward 9 APP. Telema Stanley Nanagogo, Ward 10 APP. Richard Deimbo, Ward 11 APP. Berembo Don Pedro Dadi, 12, Ward 12 APP. Lawson Hezekiah Butoboye, Ward 13 APP. Ekine Silverline Vincent, Ward 14 APP. Ibiere Wokoma Ileki, Ward 15 APP. Antonia Dan Daminabo, Ward 16 APP. Bob Manuel Ngaribosim Bennett, Ward 7 APP. Andoni, name of winner, ward and party. Erefrokuma Atamfut Inte, Ward 1 APP. Sylvester Samuel Awaji Otogun, Ward 2 APP. Sonitikung Awaji Igbeitong, Ward 3 APP. Monday Mary Evans, Ward 4 APP. Dixon Gogo Edmond, Ward 5 APP. Paul Theophilos Paul, Ward 6 APP. Isaiah Prince Promise, Ward 7 APP. Utong Elijah Eugene, Ward 8 APP. Ruben Awaji Ichere Jefta, Ward 9 APP. Israel Ataisiku Amiesi Tia, Ward 10 APP. Victor Ere Victor, Ward 11 APP. Asalitoro, name of winner, word and party. George Telema, Ward 1 APP. Nefi Pire Diepiri Ye Thank God, Ward 2 APP. King May Tombo Minawo, Ward 3, Labour Party. Tam Douglas Daton Kenneth, Ward 4, APP. Jumbo Gofabia Benjamin, Ward 5, APP. Morgan Isabella Ibiala, Ward 6, APP. Grade Omubo Ye, Ward 7, APP. Harry Ibima Ted, Ward 8 APP. West Owanate Afoma, Ward 9 APP. Igonikon Denprebo Promise, Ward 9 APP. Womet Ebiabo Robert, Ward 11 APP. Clinton Oprete, Ward 12 APP. Bob Manuel Tamroibi, Ward 13 APP. Boni local government area, name of winner, ward and party. Eremasha Sydney, Ward 1 APP. Edmond Fombo, Ward 2 APP. Pauline Edward Abiebuga, Ward 3 APP. Jumbo Henry Clement, Ward 4 APP. Brown Sotonye Emmanuel, Ward 5 APP. RFR Prince Alapota, Ward 6 APP. Macaulay Mina Macaulay, Ward 7 APP. Maryland and Jumbo, Ward 8 APP. Miadonye Macaulay Pepper, Ward 9 APP. Sinclair Ipiriala, Ward 10 APP. Igone Leona Mina, Ward 11 APP. Tolofare Boma Benoni, Ward 12 APP. Degema. Name of winner, ward and party. Ene Brena God Power, Ward 1 APP. Dapa Tekena Hamilton, Ward 2 APP. Long John Somina Baby, Ward 3 APP. Graham Agog Wilson, Ward 4 APP. Long John Fiberesima, Ward 5 APP. Lawson Soibi Alfred, Ward 6 APP. Dixon Festus Ibigoni, Ward 7 APP. Samuel Dieprie, Ward 8 APP. Silvano Sagbe, Ward 9 APP. Johnson Yere Eugene, Ward 10 APP. Garrick Idaresin, Ward 11 APP. William Solomon, Ward 12 APP. Best man Sueneme Isomite is Ward 13 APP. Harry Tomnemi Ombo, Ward 14 APP. Fumi Omoikiri, Ward 15 YPP. Dapa Tomno Tombia, Ward 16 APP. Tomimiari Orubobo, Ward 7 APP. Eleme AGA, name of winner, ward and party. Precious Ngochindo, Ward 1 APP. Osaro Saka Samuel Abe, Ward 2 SDP. Obele Humphrey Dada, Ward 3 APP. Nyia Obari Olonwe, Ward 4 APP. Lekwahana Francis, Ward 5 APP. Sangwe Berewa Benjamin, Ward 6 APP. Stanley Tete Jo Egbe, Ward 7 APP. Adeyange Mata, Ward 8 APP. Osaro Luka Victor, Ward 9 APP. Osaro Gabriel Mbie, Ward 10 APP. Na Emowa, name of winner, ward and party. Owanda Ngozi Levinus, Ward 1 APP. Ada George Precious, Ward 2 APP. Igbudu Tangod, Ward 3 APP. Omenihu Jackson Hope, Ward 4 APP. Ekulo Stevens Osman, Ward 5 APP. Olunta Prince Mwenekama Godson, Ward 6 APP. Elechekweme Bright, Ward 7 APP. Oibilo Bright Green, Ward 8 APP. Oka Francis Chinedu, Ward 9 APP. Dimpa Clement Obina, Ward 10 APP. Beauty Chile Obuji, Ward 11 APP. Obo Peter Obason, Ward 12 APP. Uchendu Andre Chikwere, Ward 13 APP. Wodo Confidence Kiroka, Ward 14 APP. Name of winner, Christian Okuluo Sunday, Ward 1. Sorry, my dear, sorry. Eche. Christian Ekulo Sunday, Ward 1 APP. Alex Amadi, Ward 2 APP. Promise Mbunonye Kashirim, Ward 3 APP. Princeway Mebom, Ward 4 APP. Justice Otamere, Ward 5 APP. Christopher Nwogu, Ward 6 APP. Ikechi Wogu, Ward 7 APP. Chibuzo Awalewe, Ward 8 APP. Uche Nwauju, Ward 9 APP. Mrs. Joy Chisa Anyanwu, Ward 10 APP. Njoku Honest, Ward 11 APP. Emmanuel Amadi Nwala, Ward 12 APP. Kingsley Ihe Michuku, Ward 13 APP. Mrs. Beauty Kingsley Nwiye, Ward 14 APP. Mrs. Gladys Nwachuku, Ward 15 APP. Chioma Gostein, Ward 16 APP. Chibu Bete, Ward 17 APP. Agam Kingsley, Ward 18 APP. Egbegbe Chukwuemeka Harry, Ward 19 APP. Gokana local government area. Begasin Enye Ward 1 APP. Damabe King Barry Bay up Ward 2 APP. Festus Banviga Ward 3 APP. Yetu Baribefe Ward 4 APP. Gokana Baridune Smith Ward 5 APP. Sunday Batom Ward 6 APP. Bagadam Onta Barisi Ward 7 APP. Akpe Barizondo Possible Ward 8 APP. Kagbara Baridilo Ward 9 APP. Tomi Prince Dombo Ward 10 APP. Tejude Shira Baridura Ward 11 APP. Bagia Francis Tonobare Ward 12 APP. Kuage Christiana Ward 13 APP. Wegbara Emmanuel Baridakara Ward 14 APP. Mbura Loki Ward 15 APP. Kagbara Dinebare Ward 16 APP. Nomako Salome Bari Iyedum Ward 17 APP. Ikwere local government, name of winner, ward and party. Amesi Israel Chigozri, Ward 1 APP. Amadi Goodness Nyezunuchi, Ward 2 APP. Ajoko Lovelin Wori, Ward 3 APP. Wokoro Luke Odinaka, Ward 4 APP. Igwe Wosu Ikechukwu, Ward 5 APP. Chikwem Kenneth Ikechi, Ward 6 APP. Ejowo Kingsley Chimekwa, Ward 7 APP. Aguma Colin, Ward 8 APP. Mobweze Junior Chidi, Ward 9 APP. Egbunye Simeon, Ward 10 APP. Oparanta Tangod, Ward 11 APP. Nyeche Charles Nyebuchi, Ward 12 APP. Achinike Bright Angumeri, Ward 13 APP. Gakana local government. Name of winner, ward and party. Mpoka Nuadum, Huedum, Ward 1 APP. Firibeb Bright, Baribefi Lebo, Ward 2 APP. Barare Michael Lenny B, Ward 3 APP. Ndika Legbo Sibenson, Ward 4 APP. Obani Barile Rita, Ward 5 APP. Nelo Dunkwe Wisdom, Ward 6 APP. Mukorodam Serekara, Ward 7 APP. Sene Nika Peter, Ward 8 APP. Double Felix, Ward 9 APP. Saturday Dobie Darlington, Ward 10 APP. Sarone Mike Lene, Ward 11 APP. Nya Gaba Victor Honeymoon, Ward 12 APP. Bo Bara Inkebare Patrick, Ward 13 APP. Donwe Barishi Anastasia, Ward 14 APP. Lebara Felix Lebari, Ward 15 APP. Zukwe Anthony Ndarane Bare, Ward 16 APP. Bobara Ben Mbeabare, Ward 17 APP. Yokina Irakwa Josephine, Ward 18 APP. Apugu Barisira Patricia, Ward 19 APP. Obiakpo local government area. Name of winner, ward and party. Amadi Merit Chief Kamma, Ward 1 APP. Henry Chukwuohia, Ward 2 APP. Amadi Henry Hanacho, Ward 3 APP. Godwin Precious Ovuchi, Ward 4 APP. Onwuchekwa Obonda, Ward 5 APP. Obonda George, Ward 6 APP. Kevin Eberongu N, Ward 7 APP. Mwobroke Festus Samadi, Ward 8 APP. Amadi Emmanuel Nna, Ward 9 APP. Nyeche Jacob Owonogu, Ward 10 APP. Otuonye Prince Free Budoka, Ward 11 APP. Innocent Okocha, Ward 12 APP. Mrs. Stella Amadi, 13 APP. Wobo Bright Ike, Ward 14 APP. Ikpoku Victory George, Ward 15 APP. Odemene Felix in Lekomba, Ward 16 APP. Ajako Samuel Sonne, Ward 17 APP. Onelga, name of winner, ward and party. Ucha Chioma Favor, Ward 1 APP. Okoro Shedrack, Ward 2 APP. Odo Chukwumela Emmanuel, Ward 3 APP. Ajie Big Man Ebra, Ward 4 APP. Uzo Ato Azubike, Ward 5 APP. Okirie Amadike, Ward 6 APP. Igwe Justice Ibeabuchi, Ward 7 APP. Imegi Ahiazunwa Shedrack, Ward 8 APP. Isidore Chidi Hope, Ward 9 APP. Uchendu Victor, Ward 10 APP. Toby Clutus Wesan, Ward 11 APP. Omeegbu Obed Chukwu Kele, Ward 12 APP. Edemanya Amaka Rose Mary, Ward 13 APP. Ezeugo Chukwuka, Ward 14 APP. Okpeke Friday, Ward 15 APP. Oburu Ozemela, Ward 16 APP. Agilebu Stanley, Ward 17 APP. Ogubolo, local government area. Name of winner, word and party. Ibikere Ibima Boma Emmanuel, Ward 1 APP. Tamno Siki Promise Tende, Ward 2 APP. Samuel Afonka, Ward 3 APP. Amber Afoma Boka, Ward 4 APP. Promise Tamno Belema, Ward 5 APP. Elliot Ada, Ward 6 APP. Togunengie Ofori Joshua, Ward 7 APP. Asisema Tonke Osaro, Ward 8 APP. Tamno Sepiriala Stamford, Ward 9 APP. Amamina Eli Tamnokuro, Ward 10 APP. Williams Hannah Igbo, Ward 11 APP. Ishmael Johnson, Ward 12 APP. Now, Okrika local government. Name of winner, ward and party. Nengi John Tamuno, Ward 1 APP. Ibinabo Williams, Ward 2 APP. Joyce Emmanuel, Ward 3 APC. Opwene Jonah Fibrasima, Ward 4 APP. Wilson Alabere, Ward 5 APP. Walter Edward Opwene, Ward 6 APP. Gibson Junior Mikire, Ward 7 APP. Golden Organ Sunday, Ward 8 APP. Abikalio Benjamin, Ward 9 APP. Nelson Prince, Ward 10 APP. Wisdom Victor Fubara, Ward 11 APP. Mercy Iyaye Gabriel, Ward 12 APP. Omuma local government area. Name of winner, word and party. Benson Jackson, Ward 1 APP. Nkasirim Emmanuel Emeka, Ward 2 APP. Ebunefu Joshua Chukwudi, Ward 3 APP. Nwokogba Hope, Ward 4 APP. Chike Ebere Chukwu Bright, Ward 5 APP. Iruanya Smart Okechukwu, Ward 6 APP. Anyogu Marvelous, Ward 7 APP. Omonakwe Obinna, Ward 8 APP. Chibe Chimwanya, Ward 9 APP. Kelechi Blessing Ngozi, Ward 10 APP. Opobo Nkoro, local government. Name of winner, ward and party. Stewart Blessing Boma, Ward 1 APP. Anya Gogo Julie